In today's digital world, technology is everywhere. We store our photos in the cloud, stream movies online, use mobile applications, and rely on web services every single day. Most of the systems we interact with are no longer running on a single computer. They are distributed across data centers around the world. What many people don't realize is that behind these services, there's a complex infrastructure working continuously. These systems must be fast, reliable, secure, and able to scale to millions of users at the same time. Choosing the right foundation for this infrastructure is one of the most important decisions technology companies make. This brings us to today's topic. Today, we are going to talk about why most cloud systems run on Linux and why Linux has become the backbone of modern cloud computing. Cloud platforms are designed to handle massive workloads. They must manage virtual machines, containers, storage systems, and networks efficiently. Linux is perfectly suited for this environment because it was built with flexibility, stability, and performance in mind. One of the main reasons Linux dominates cloud systems is scalability. Cloud platforms need to scale resources up and down quickly based on demand. Linux allows cloud providers to create, manage, and destroy virtual machines and containers efficiently. This makes it possible to handle sudden traffic spikes without system failure. Another critical factor is performance. Linux is lightweight and optimized to use system resources efficiently. In cloud environments, even small performance improvements can save millions of dollars. Linux allows cloud providers to run more workloads on the same hardware, making infrastructure more cost-effective. Linux also plays a key role in virtualization and container technology. Most virtualization tools and container platforms are built around Linux. Technologies like Docker and Kubernetes are designed to work naturally with Linux systems. These tools allow cloud platforms to isolate applications, manage resources, and deploy services at scale. Security is another major reason Linux is trusted in cloud environments. Cloud systems handle sensitive data, including personal information, financial records, and business-critical assets. Linux uses a strong permission-based security model that limits unauthorized access. Because Linux is open source, security issues are quickly discovered and fixed by a global community of developers. Reliability is also essential for cloud systems. Cloud services are expected to run continuously, often with uptime requirements close to 100%. Linux is known for its stability and ability to run for long periods without restarting. This makes it ideal for servers and cloud infrastructure that must operate around the clock. Major cloud providers rely heavily on Linux. Platforms like Amazon Web Services, Google Cloud, and Microsoft Azure all use Linux as a core part of their infrastructure. Even when users choose different operating systems on the surface, Linux is often running underneath to manage resources and workloads. Another important advantage of Linux is customization. Cloud providers can modify Linux to fit their specific needs. They can optimize the kernel, remove unnecessary components, and tailor the system for performance and security. This level of customization is simply not possible with closed operating systems. Linux also benefits from a massive open source ecosystem. Thousands of tools, frameworks, and monitoring systems are built specifically for Linux-based cloud environments. This ecosystem allows cloud engineers and DevOps teams to automate operations, monitor performance, and respond quickly to issues. For developers and engineers, understanding Linux is a major advantage in cloud computing. Since most cloud systems run on Linux, learning Linux helps professionals understand how cloud platforms work internally. It also makes it easier to deploy applications, manage infrastructure, and troubleshoot production systems. In summary, Linux is not just an operating system used on personal computers. It is the foundation of modern cloud infrastructure. Its scalability, performance, security, and flexibility make it the preferred choice for cloud platforms around the world. If you want to understand how cloud systems truly work behind the scenes, learning Linux is one of the most valuable skills you can develop. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe to the channel for more tech and system-focused content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.